Hello investors and traders, today I'll speak about Netlix stock. We'll check it technical and fundamental analysis. So let's start with the chart. In my mind, in the long run, here where we have its weekly time frame, we have increasing channel since 2002, and now in my mind here we can find an impulse. Yes, here it's lean impulse. So here it was the first wave, the second, the third, the fourth, the correctional one, then the fifth, and then the impulse is finished. And now I think last 2 years we have a correctional. Usually it can be ABC move, W, X, Y, but here in my mind we have ABC waves, so A, B, and C. So also nice signal that the here it's the lower border of this long run increasing channel, and also we had here support level. It was 170. So now here after the correction, of course, this stock continue to raise. By the way, yesterday it was the quarterly report of Netflix. We can see positive reaction of the investors, of the traders. It's up 6% in the pre-market. So now we can buy Netflix at 335 bucks. I remind you that I have a lot of videos about stock market analysis, technical and fundamental analysis, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's speak a little bit about the quarterly report. So Netflix pops on Q4 subscriber surge, analyst praise, financial and content slate. So we can see that the result that show that the healthy gains in subscribe growth lead by a strong content slate, with analysts praising both the company's financial performance and its breadth of offering. And Goldman Sachs analyst who has a sell rating on Netflix noted that the positive tone on the earning call at the company's content seemed to resonate better in the second half, along with the rollout of its ad supported tier and password sharing restriction initiatives. And of course, let me check. Also, Sugihamic Partners analyst say that 7.7 million subscriber addition in the fourth quarter was substantial, and with revenue and operating profit ahead of consensus, the company is operating well. Let's have a look on the fundamental parameters of Netlix. So its total score is 91. It's quite high, and the financial stability, the financial position, in my mind, very strong. Debt to EBITDA ratio less than 1, interest coverage more than 5. It's very good, very nice financial management, and the Altman's score is more than 4. So it's telling us that the probability of default in the future years for this Netflix is very low. By the way, the marginality, the gross margin about 40, operation 18, and the net margin 16. So also the marginality for this company is very nice. We can see that the last 3 years EBITDA, revenue and EPS, earning per share, will show the double-digit growth, and the projections for the future years of earning per share that expected to grow in 12%, and the revenue is expected to grow more than 10%. Any problem for liquidity at this company? Current ratio and quick ratio, both of them are higher than 1. And of course the valuation P ratio is now 28. I know, I'm not sure it's updated, but the PS ratio, price per share, is 4.5. Let me check for such marginality. Where is the marginality? It's not cheap stock, but I think it's okay, because we can see that the expectation of growth is quite high. So generally it's okay. So here, yeah, Netflix, telling you the truth, I have Netflix in my portfolio. I by myself using Netflix. I watch some serials, some movies, so I think it's a very nice company. and of course it can give a nice gain to your stock portfolio in the near future. So generally speaking, the report itself was very strong, and pay attention here, the RSI, the momentum indicator, is now in the monthly only 45. So the last time it was so low was about 10 years ago. So by the way, it's still can be considered as a buy opportunity for Netflix, or for sure after such nice quarterly report. And here let's have a look on the PS ratio. So for a long time, I think it was a bubble, it was above 10, 12, even historically the highest was 14. So now it's only 4.4. So why not? It's even lower than the levels of 2016. But then the buyback, it wasn't such a nice and huge company. Of course, Netflix doesn't pay dividends, so it's a growth stock. But anyway, the valuation, the expectation, and the potential of the stock, I see it's very positive. So if you like this video, press the like button, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next time. Bye.